Okay, good morning. Happy Wednesday, my mathematicians. I hope y'all are doing well today. Today's Wednesday, December 13th. Here we are on the MIC. This week we are doing math testing, so I just want to give you a quick overview of what we have going on today, and I also have just a quick fun game that you can toss into your lesson at any time to play. So let's look at the 13th. Here we are. And today in the OLS, we have Unit 6, Lesson 11. We are still working on our story problems. Yesterday, we had our map assessment instead of OLS lessons. So that was a great time to get that map assessment done for math. Now, if you didn't get it done, make sure that you squeeze it in at some point during the remainder of the week. Couple other things I want to point out to you. If you look on Friday, it's the last day of the cycle, so just make sure that you have all of your MGAs for this cycle turned in by 4 o'clock so that your student gets credit for those. One other quick thing, our math maintenance for December, if we click on this, and we're working on fluency and counting money, we've been working on that, and we've added in that telling time for December. Please make sure to schedule out at least 15 to 20 minutes a day to work on your math maintenance. That is so very important that our second graders stay up on those math maintenance skills that we have on there. Okay, and before I sign off to go and do some math, I want to just share with you a game. Now, I've taken my math journal and I've just turned to a clean page in my addition and subtraction section. And you can do the same if you want to, or if you want to put this somewhere else, you can. At the top, I'm going to add the title, Roll the Dice. Okay, now, Learning Coaches, this is a great game. It's very easy to play, and there's a lot of different ways that you can play it. Excuse me. So, all you need for this really is one die, but I'm going to play with 2 today just to make it a little bit easier. You can add in more if you want to make this more challenging, but I'm going to start with just 2. Now, you can do this, Learning Coaches, either addition or subtraction. I'm going to model doing the addition one today, and but you can make this so it's either addition or subtraction. And friends, y'all can play against a person or a couple people. Sometimes that just makes it more fun. So all this game is I'm going to take my dice and I'm going to roll 1 and I'm going to make a number. Now, something we might want to do if we're playing against a person, we're going to want to set some rules for our game. So one of our rules that we want to set is maybe how to keep score. And maybe I could say as a rule that whoever has the highest sum when you're adding 2 numbers is going to get the point for the round. So let's say this was my round number 1. If I want to get the highest sum, I'm going to want to make the highest number. So even though I rolled a 2 and a 5, I'm going to switch the place so my value is higher. So I'm going to make that a 5 and a 2. And then let's go ahead and write that down, 52, and we're going to do addition. So I'm going to take my dice and I'm going to roll one more time. Oh, man. I got a 1 and a 1. That's not going to get me a very large sum, and I can't turn those numbers around, but that's okay. We're going to take it. So 52, and hey, I know this is my friend 10 plus 1, so I can add this really easily in my head. 52 plus 10 more I know is 62 plus 1 more is 63. Now, my partner, whoever I'm playing against, is going to roll, and we're going to see if their sum is greater than or less than. If my sum is the greatest one, I get to give myself a point up here in the corner. And another rule we might set is how far we play. So my friend and I might have decided before we started playing this game that we're going to play till someone gets 5 tally marks up in the corner. And whoever gets to 5 tally marks first is going to be the winner. Again, Learning Coaches, you can adjust these rules how you want to and how you'd like to play it at home. But that's just a quick game you can play. And again, don't forget, you can make this into a subtraction game too. There's a lot of different things you can do with it. You can add in another die and make it a 3-digit, build 3-digit numbers if you want. Okay, hope you guys have fun with that game. Have a super duper day, and I will see you all soon. Bye, everybody.